In this video, we will learn how to find a max number from the given array without using loop. We are not going to use any loop. Instead, we're going to use inbuilt function. So this is our array, and we provided name or variable name of our array is like my array. So next step is we're going to use an inbuilt function which is math dot, and we can say m, and we can see here max. We can going to use a max dot and again apply, and in the bracket we pass null and our array. And now what we're going to do, we're going to, if we want to print in a browser, then document dot write, and if we want to do in a console, then console dot log. So we're going to Control X and we're going to paste here. That's why we're going to print both in a browser as well as in the console. And let's say if we want to add 9 over here, and if we save, you can see it's printed 9 because that 9 is the maximum number from this given array. And if we remove 9 and save, then it is 8. So that way you can do, or you can find maximum number with our math.max inbuilt function. Hope you like my video, and if you learned something, please share and subscribe and like my video. Thank you so much.